What's going on, Reshoevn8r fam? It's your boy Megell Street back with another cleaning video, and today I'm gonna be cleaning up probably one of my favorite pair of sixes. And we're gonna be doing so with the essential kit, which can be found on Reshoevn8r.com. So if you're ready to get bubbly, I'm not Johnny, but let's get this cleaning off to a start. All right, my people, as mentioned, we're gonna be cleaning these up with the essential kit, which comes with our 3 brushes, soft, medium, and stiff. Then we're gonna have our shoe tree that's gonna allow us to apply as much pressure as possible within this cleaning. And we're gonna be using our Reshoevn8r mat to make sure that our cleaning area stays clean. We have our 4-ounce bottle of solution and our drying rack and bowl combo. So let's remove this left shoe and get this cleaning off to a start. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is take out these laces. Yo, I don't know if y'all know about this on the 6s, but it's a little button right here. So you can undo that, help take these laces out a little bit easier. Now that we got our laces removed, we'll drop those in the water. And what we wanna do now is put in our shoe tree. It's a size 10, so we'll go 4 notches back. Perfect fit. Before I start cleaning, I do want to talk about this nubuck material. I have heard that it can bleed and actually get onto this mesh material you see here on the tongue, which is white. So we obviously want to keep that as crispy as possible. So I'll just be cautious with that when I'm cleaning this shoe. Just try not to oversaturate the material, and then you should be all right. So we're going to grab our soft brush first and really just start knocking off some of this dirt so we don't bake that further into the material. So let's do that now. So we just finished off with that dry brush method, and off camera I went ahead and grabbed a fresh brush because you don't want to put that dirt right back into the material. So if you're cleaning these up at home, just try to rinse off the brush and you'll be off to a good start. Now that we got our solution ready, now it's just time to soap them up. So after the first pass with the soft brush, the shoe is looking great. The red is really popping back out. The only concern I have so far is this material. Right now it's hard to tell because it's wet, and when it dries up, we'll be able to tell if it is actually white and crispy or if it's still got this off-white kind of look. But this, honestly, is one of my favorite 6s, like I mentioned earlier. Just that red and that white, that OG feel, you know, I'm all about that. Funny story, actually back in high school, I copped this shoe along with 2 other pairs of 6s. It was the Olympic 6 and the Oreo 6. All 3 pairs, mint condition, 700 bucks. It was definitely a big drop for me as a senior in high school. It was for sure the most money I spent at one time, but I still got 2 of those shoes still in my collection, and it was a solid investment. This shoe will always hold a special place in my heart because I love it so much, but we gotta get this cleaning back on track. And we're gonna take the medium brush and just give our midsole another pass. It's already looking pretty clean, but we just wanna get in there a little bit further, and we're gonna do that now. So let's get going. So we just finished up with that medium brush and it did its thing. So as you guys should know, the last step will be to take care of these outsoles with the stiff brush. All done with the stiff brush and it did not disappoint. These shoes are looking a lot more healthy. So now all we gotta do is take care of these laces. As you guys might have noticed earlier, I put these laces over there in the water just so it can soak and knock some dirt off during the cleaning. Every time you dip the brush into that water, it's gonna get a little bit soapier, so it just helps your work. So I just do that to ensure the dirt knocks off pretty easy. So really guys, there isn't too much to this method. It's really just like washing your hands. So now that these laces are taken care of, we just gotta go set this shoe in the sun, and I'll see you guys right back. All right, so we are back from letting the shoe fully dry out overnight, and it is looking a hell of a lot better. I mean, do I even have to say anything? Kinda. Let's show them that spinneroo. Honestly, looking at this shoe after it's been all cleaned up is reminding me that this is probably my favorite Jordan 6 colorway. So seeing this shoe nice and crispy back in its original form is bringing me back to 2014 when I got that 3-pack of 6s. And I gotta be honest, I'm thinking that this is the favorite. It's the breadwinner out of that 3, which means it's my favorite Jordan 6 colorway. So if you like today's video, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. I'm your boy Miguel Street, and I'll be catching you guys next time. Peace.